Ever found yourself pondering over how to make the switch to a healthier diet? Well, you're not alone. It can be overwhelming to navigate the world of nutrition, especially if you're just getting started. However, with a few simple strategies, you can begin to improve your eating habits and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Firstly, it's essential to focus on whole foods. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats in your diet. These nutrient-rich foods will provide your body with the fuel it needs to function at its best. Secondly, become a savvy food label reader. Understanding what's in your food empowers you to make healthier choices. Opt for items low in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats, but high in fiber, protein, and vitamins. Thirdly, remember that portion control is key. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if you consume too much. Strive for balance on your plate. Half should be filled with colorful vegetables, with the other half split between proteins and carbohydrates. The fourth strategy is meal prepping. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you make it easier to eat healthily. Not only does this save you time during the week, but it also helps reduce food waste and unnecessary spending on dining out. Another crucial aspect of a healthy diet that often gets overlooked is hydration. Consuming plenty of water helps maintain your energy levels, promotes healthier skin, and aids digestion. If you find water a bit too plain, consider adding a splash of lemon, a sprig of mint, or a few slices of cucumber for a refreshing twist. Lastly, remember that transitioning to a healthier diet doesn't happen overnight. Start with small changes like swapping white bread for whole grain, choosing sweet potatoes over white potatoes, or trading soda for herbal tea. These gradual changes can lead to long-lasting, sustainable improvements in your diet. In summary, starting to eat healthier doesn't have to be complex. By focusing on whole foods, understanding food labels, controlling portions, preparing meals ahead of time, staying hydrated, and making gradual changes, you can start to improve your eating habits. And remember, every small step you take towards a healthier diet is a victory. Your body will thank you for it.